Welcome to CarZone 2024, where today we are diving into the 2025 Mahindra KUV100 NXT, a compact SUV that stands out with its bold design and dynamic features. Starting with the front end, the KUV100 NXT exudes confidence with its striking dual-barrel headlamps, which feature an aggressive and sleek design. The large, bold grille, accentuated by a prominent Mahindra logo, gives the SUV a commanding presence on the road. The front bumper is designed with aerodynamic curves and sporty fog lamps, adding to the vehicle's aggressive stance. Moving to the side profile, the KUV100 NXT boasts a distinctive and sporty silhouette, characterized by its high beltline and flared wheel arches. The side skirts and sculpted panels contribute to its athletic appearance, enhancing its road presence. The stylish 15-inch alloy wheels come with a diamond-cut finish, adding a touch of sophistication to its sporty design. One of the standout features is the floating roof design, which creates a unique visual appeal and sets the KUV100 NXT apart from other compact SUVs. As we look towards the rear, the KUV100 NXT continues to impress with its bold design language. The rear tailgate is designed with a sleek, modern look, complemented by wraparound tail lamps that feature LED elements for a contemporary touch. The rear bumper integrates sporty reflectors and a faux skid plate, emphasizing the vehicle's rugged and adventurous character. In terms of dimensions, the KUV100 NXT offers a compact footprint, making it ideal for urban environments while still providing ample road presence. Its overall proportions are well balanced, contributing to both aesthetic appeal and practicality. The 2025 model also brings in updated color options, allowing buyers to choose from a range of vibrant and stylish hues, which further accentuate its bold design. In summary, the 2025 Mahindra KUV100 NXT is a compact SUV that combines a distinctive and sporty exterior design with functional features that enhance its visual appeal and on-road presence. From the aggressive front grille and sleek headlamps to the unique floating roof and stylish alloy wheels, this vehicle stands out in its segment. Stay tuned to CarZone 2024 for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest automotive trends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.